Hey, welcome back to the weekly dance tutorial. I'm Ken, and today we're going to be learning how to do opposite waves. Now there's a couple of ways to do this. Here's the first way. You can start here and then move your way forward and move your way back. So forward and back. Okay, and this is the opposite is going up and down. Okay, so when this one goes up, the other one goes down. So if you start at a center point, one of them goes up and one of them goes down. And then you do it at the same time to create this spiraling effect. Okay, and if you don't know how to do the arm wave, you can check out previous videos to learn how to do a basic arm wave, and that's pretty much what you're going to apply to this. Okay, and another way you can do it is just going and just staying there, okay, staying in that position, and then you're just going to keep repeating this without having to go back and forth. And then you can reverse that. So from here, instead of going down and this one going up, right, you're going to reverse the path, and this one's going to pull and this one's going to open. So this is going in and then this one's going out. Okay, so that's two different ways to do it. Now, another way you can do opposite waves is crossing it in front and then opening it. Boom, boom, here. You could cross it down here. Okay, you could go in front, boom, and you kind of get the idea. Like basically, anytime you do a wave, right, you just put the other one next to it, and if this one's going like this, you're gonna go the opposite. So for example, if this one goes up, this one's gonna go down, and then you switch, and then if this one goes like this, then this one goes, then this one goes, and then this one. So pretty much what it is one arm's doing one wave and the other arm is doing the same wave but at a different interval of time. So this one's going here, right, and it's going down. So if I go here and then this one goes on the second one, see that? So that's what creates the opposite effect. When one of them's going up, the other one's going down. So another way to look at it is you focus on the peak of the wave. For example, the peak of this inside wave is going to be here, right? That's the first peak. And then the second peak is here, but we're just going to focus on the wrists. So bam, that's the peak. And then the other one is going to create the opposite of that peak. So boom, opposite. So this one's pointing downward, this one's going upward. So first peak, and then create the second one right there. So now they switch roles. Okay, this one becomes the top and then this one becomes the bottom one. So focus on switching that and making sure that your peaks are equal. Okay, because the more equal and symmetrical they are, the prettier it looks. So from here, if this is the middle, if I'm gonna go this high, right, which is about one hand space up, this one's probably gonna go about one hand space down, right, to make the opposite effect, right? The more symmetrical it is, the cooler it looks. One more time, let's review all the different opposite waves you can do, and we're just talking about this kind of opposite waving. Okay, there's probably other ways too, like this, but for now the ones we're gonna do are these ones, and then reversing those, these ones, these ones, and then this one. Another way you can do it is focusing on just mirroring the wave, right, which is basically this, but instead of crossing it, you're gonna just stay right here and don't cross, because then it forces you to just focus on how to wave them separately instead of interweaving it. Okay, and you could do that down here. Okay, this is an opposite wave because we're doing it on both sides. And then another one you could do, there's so many you can do, but here's another really popular one. see this one is up, this one is down, and you switch. And there you go. So those are all the opposite waves you can do, and there's way more than that, but I'm gonna leave it up to you to experiment based off of the ones that I already showed you. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me on Instagram at can.poriotics, and make sure you check out the new long sleeves, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.